channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Why am I like, woo, woo? Stop it. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig-related content here. We are multicultural. We are inclusive. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're one of my little doll babies. Hi, doll baby. How are you? So happy that you are here. Today, this beautiful wig I'm wearing is Janet Collection's Noelle. I have a full review up on her, and it's a collab, so go and check that out. I just had her braided up just for fun. Today I am doing another wig from Amore Mio. This is also Vivica A. Fox, and I have Oakley. Okay, I don't know why I was like, Oakley? I have Oakley. I have her in the color P2216. Why can't I say that? And that's the same as that's on the stock card. She's a full cap wig, heat safe up to 356 to 392. It's so funny when they're very specific like that. And she only comes in a few colors. So she comes in some traditional colors right here, and then some piano colors. So she only comes in 4, 5, 6, 7 colors. And I scooped her up from somewhere. I'll have to put it down below. For some reason the tag is missing. I'm pretty sure I paid $12.99, but I'm not positive where I scooped her up. So all that'll be down below in the deets. So this is her. See, she's a full cap wig. She's a full cap wig. There are no combs in the front, no combs in the back, adjustable straps. So that's good for those of you who may have some sensitive scalp issues, alopecia, anything like that, to not have the combs. If it's something that you're afraid it's going to slip, then go ahead and try a wig grip. You can try a velvet wig grip. I have videos on that, or you can try a silicone one. I also have a video on that. So she does have sort of like a skin top parting in there. So yeah, let me just get her on and like let's see what's up. Okay, Kit Kat. Together. Now we're back. I think she's super cute. I don't know if it's like my sweater that's throwing me off. Let me change my sweater and see what happens. Hold, please. Oh my gosh, that is so much better and cuter. Oh my gosh. Okay, changing my sweater made all the difference. I think when I'm wearing these blondes and these lighter tones, I have to make sure it's not like too light on the sweater part. This is the cutest Alice sweater. I'm obsessed with Alice. I got this at like Walmart like a long time ago, but I really like her. She didn't take much to get together. I was just piecing her out. I have, you just saw the clips of me getting together. I was piecing some of them out, and some of them I was leaving. I have her tightened pretty tight. This is a large wig cap, so if that is something that you need, this is your girl. I want to put a headband on and see what she would look like with this. I got this from Marshall's for $3.99. People have been asking me to maybe do a little bit more styling things, so I'm trying to remember to do that. Plus, I just want to see like how cute she would look. Let's just get this headband. Ooh, it's cute. And see what happens. This can also help too if it's like a little bit big. OMG. I'm sorry, I'm dying. This is so cute and fun and just like... Kitten has a stink bug, so I don't know what's gonna happen. yeah, I think this one is cute. I think it's fun. I think if you got it in a color that you like, I actually do not mind this like blonde color. I think it's really cute and fun. It's cute from the back. Like, I think this is fun and different. One of my lights went out and this is my last video of the day, so I'm not going to worry about it. I think this is so cute and different. I actually really like this, and I think that it's cute and different. What are your thoughts? Do you like her? Do you not? If there is another Vivica A. Fox or Amore Mio wig you would like me to review, go ahead and put that down below. If you have this wig and you have thoughts, go ahead and put that down below. If you have subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!